AI is one of those subjects that divides opinion. Without a doubt, there are people who are into AI and people who are not into AI. There are people who are saying, I just shouldn't use it, and there are people who don't stop using it. There are also a lot of people, understandably, who are concerned that AI could take their job. It could affect their financial stability going forward. And there's an absolutely strong chance that that's going to happen all over the world, unfortunately. But what we can do is we can arm ourselves and we can prepare ourselves for that coming by starting to use AI in order to generate money. And that is what I'm going to show you how to do today, because what I've got is my latest launch. This is 40,000 ChatGPT prompts, and it's so cheap. It's going up with every sale, so the quicker you get in, the better. But we kicked it off at just $5, and probably by the time you see this, it's still going to be less than $10 for all 40,000. Now, the idea is this. Not for you to take the 40,000 prompts and to go through and start using the prompts yourself to try to make money. No, you become the wholesaler. You sell the 40,000 prompts because we're giving you private label rights, PLR. Now remember, if you know anything about my story, everything for me started with one piece of PLR. I paid $5 for it. I flipped that into $8,000. The next course I made told people how I did that, and that's done over $45,000. And I've now gone on to do over $3 million online, all from that one piece of PLR. We're giving you the PLR rights to 40,000 ChatGPT prompts. Then if you want to take the first upgrade, which is also in same value, you get to 10x that. So you can get an extra 400,000 ChatGPT prompts. So you really can become the wholesaler. And you can go to sites like Gumroad and Etsy and PromptBase, and you can sell these yourself. Now, I've just been doing a bit of research, and on Gumroad, there's somebody on there selling 100 prompts for work creativity and everyday business success. 100 prompts. Now, that niche there, work creativity and success, it's all included in the 40,000 and the 400,000. So I've got you covered there if you wanted to try this. But they're selling the 100 prompts for $65.78 plus VAT. So that would cost me $78.94 to pick that package up, right? That's 100 prompts. You can buy 40,000 prompts from me for less than a tenner. I mean, at the moment, just slightly over $5 if you were quick, all right? And then if you take the first upgrade, you can get another 400,000. So imagine what you could do, because on the same page, it says customers also bought 50 AI prompts for entrepreneurs and small business owners for 30 quid sterling, right? That's like even more than dollars. Like if it was dollars, it'd be like $40 or something. And 30 AI prompts for content creators for 20 quid, all right? So that's just one example. They're selling on Etsy, they're selling on PromptBase, and you can go and sell these and you keep every penny that you make because they've got PLR. One way of making money from AI is not to go to ChatGPT and say, how can I make money? But sell the prompts to people so that you can make the money. It's a bit like the gold rush, isn't it? You know, you sell them the spades and the pickaxes and the sieves to sieve out the gold rather than go and look for the gold yourself. This is the fastest and easiest way to do it. And as always, I've got a massive bonus bundle for you. Included in that bonus bundle is Prompt Profits that actually teaches you step by step how to sell prompts on Gumroad. So how about that? There'll be a load of other bonuses as well. Details of those will be below this video. But in the meantime, just go and grab this as soon as you can, because as I said, the price is going up with every single sale. You really can't go wrong with this. I'm very, very proud of this launch. It's an absolute stonker. So go and grab it now, and I'll speak to you soon.